Stone Floor Cleaning Cobham, Surrey. By Fabritech Stone and Tile Care. Has the luster of your stone floor faded? Is your tile floor grimy? Is it getting difficult to clean your stone and tile floors? We are Surrey's premier stone and tile cleaning professionals with unmatched dedication to our customers' needs. How our stone restoration specialists can help. Specialist cleaning machinery to remove unsightly surface dirt. Resurfacing old and uneven floor tiles with professional diamond grinding machines. A range of diamond tooling to polish your floor to a beautiful, lustrous sparkle. High-quality sealers to help protect and extend the life of your new floor finish. Some customer comments.
Friendly and professional. Outstanding customer service. Excellent service. They did a great job, were efficient, and completed it on time.
Common stone and tile problems. Marble floor tiles that have seen better times, restored and polished. Scratched and soiled travertine tiles, deep cleaned, grout repaired and sealed. Limestone that has been worn down by foot traffic and soil, deep cleaned, polished and sealed. Terrazzo that has lost its previous character, restored to a lovely sheen. Granite tiles faded by years of wear, repolished and sealed. Sandstone floor slabs, discolored by years of grime and stains, deep cleaned, to reveal the original colors in the stone. Soiled and dull terracotta, the old sealers removed, tiles and grout cleaned, and given a lovely, sealed finish. Formerly stunning slate floors, restored by removing years of ugly wax and soil, and sealed with a long-lasting sealer. Dull Victorian Minton tiles, deep cleaned and revived, with color-enhancing sealers. Soiled Quarry tiles, deep cleaned, to reveal a beautiful floor. Find out what our expert stone floor technicians can do for you, in Cobham, Surrey. Call us now to book your free quote.